simplify the following. And we know the patterns for expanding brackets. So if I've got 2 plus root 3, what am I going to do here? I'm going to do 2 times 2, and then I'm going to do 2 times root 3, taking into account that this 2 is positive and it's a plus root 3. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times positive root 3 is going to be plus 2 root 3. Now here I have negative root 2, and then I've got 5 take away 2 root 3. But it's the same patterns that we're going to be using. So we're going to be doing this. Negative times a positive, so the first term is going to be negative, and then it's just root 2 times 5, which we write as 5 root 2. Now when we do the negative root 2 times the negative 2 root 3, first of all that's going to end up being positive. And we're going to have 2 root 3 and multiply that by the root 2. That means that these combine to give us root 6. So I have plus 2 root 6. Now with 2 plus root 2, 2 plus root 3. So to expand that, we're going to use the crab claw. So we get 2 times 2, which is 4. We then have 2 times root 3, and that's going to be a positive, so it's going to be plus 2 root 3. And then we're going to have root 2 times 2, which we know is 2 root 2. And then finally, we're going to have root 2 times root 3, both positive, so it's going to be positive, and that's going to be root 6. And there is no tidying there. They're all unlike terms. And then finally here we have root 2 times root 3 squared, which means root 2 take root 3, root 2 take root 3. So root 2 times root 2, that is 2. Then I have root 2 times negative root 3, that's going to be negative root 6. Negative root 3 times root 2, that's going to be negative root 6 as well. And finally, negative root 3 times negative root 3, that's going to make it a positive, and root 3 times root 3 is 3. And so I get 5 take away 2 root 6.